Good afternoon. I'm David Bayada, the CEO here at Bayada Home Healthcare. Today is Thursday, April 16th, and this is your CEO Daily Update during the coronavirus pandemic. I'm here today with Wes Trice, who leads our talent group here at Bayada, and we want to talk about a very important request, and that is please give us your feedback. We want to know how you feel. This is a really complicated time, and we're working really hard, both here with all of our response efforts and our leadership work, but also at the local level with each individual director, manager, and team that's working to support each other and support all of those out in the field, including our clients. And so it's important that we know whether we're doing a good job, where we're doing well, and where we can improve. And so we've decided to implement a survey process that will kick off next week, and we really need you to complete it. It's really important that we get your feedback. Wes, tell us a little bit about the survey and how it's going to work.
Great. Thanks, David. Yeah, my name is Wes Trice. I'm the Regional Director of Enterprise Talent here at Bayada, and I've been here for about 10 years. And as David mentioned, the survey that's going to come out next week, it's a little bit different than our typical employee satisfaction survey, actually a lot different. And so it's going to be a 16-question survey, and the two key differences are these questions, as opposed to a typical employee satisfaction survey, are really about the time that we're in right now. It's about what you're going through, how you're feeling, and how you feel about how we're supporting you. And so they're very specific questions to the pandemic and emergency that we're all going through together right now. And we want to know how you feel so that we know what we can do better to support you, what we need to do more of, what we need to do less of, what we should start doing, what we should stop doing. The other key difference from our typical surveys or surveys that you might have had at other employers is that typically you get one survey link and you take the survey once. This survey, the link is going to stay open, and you can take it as many times as you want, as you need to, or that makes sense to you. And the reason for this is the world and our own personal circumstances are changing every day. And the way you feel about the support we're providing for you today might be completely different than you feel next week or even tomorrow. And so we're going to be tracking these results over time and in real time be able to adjust the support, the content, the communication that we're providing to you to make you feel valued and supported and feel like Bayada is doing the right things for their employees. And so the survey is going to come out on Monday, April 20th. You will get a text message and an email with the survey link, and that survey link is going to stay open until it makes sense to close it. So feel free to take it as often as works for you. I recommend saving the link. We'll send it out sort of on some type of regular cadence, once a week, once every other week. But please let us know how you're doing and how you're feeling and what we can do better.
Thanks, Wes. Just want to underscore how important it is that we get your feedback, not just on Monday when we send the link for the first time, but continuously. If there are times where you're feeling like we're doing a particularly good job and you want to highlight that so that we know to do more of it, that's great. And if there are times where you think we're missing the mark and you want to let us know, that's really important too, so that we can adjust quickly. Thanks for your engagement. Thanks for all the hard work you're doing. And thanks for being out there in the community helping our clients. We'll see you tomorrow.